Okay, we got our head here. We're going to drill a hole up through here for our string. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch drill bit here. Okay, we're coming up through here. I want to make it a little bit farther back than where it's at in here. If you enjoy my videos or you find them helpful, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Okay, that's better. That's more where I want it in there. Thanks for watching.